design and build B2B UAV for innovative services. The extended component is composed by an autonomous docking station and UAV-based asset management. A dedicated UAV operation capability identifies and generates user-defined alerts and captures aerial imagery and streamlined video to be integrated in the control system. This solution allows the hangar to work remotely with the aim to make surveys for change detection or to allow the UAV to leave the hangar automatically in case of alerts coming from sensors or cameras. The proposed component covers the need to significantly reduce the effort and costs of UAV surveillance by resorting to electrical fast recharging ultra-lightweight UAVs. Companies owning assets to be constantly and automatically, no man in the middle, monitored, oil, gas, energy, telcos. ADPM project results may be also applied to security and surveillance tasks. Thank you.